Hey, it's Luke from Arbsession, and today we are going to take a closer look at the DMM Revolver Locksafe Carabiner. It is shown here alongside an Arbsession 14-ounce throw weight for size reference. The Revolver is a groundbreaking concept that has gained legendary status for industrial and recreational use. Take the advantages of lightweight aluminum connectors and morph them with a roller wheel from a pulley, and you've got an incredibly versatile piece of equipment. Counterweight rescues, clipping tight lines, hauling chainsaws, deviating running ropes, etc. The list goes on. The Revolver is a unique connector that incorporates a low-friction roller system and features a key-lock clean nose for a snag-free connection. DMM's patented taper lock closing mechanism increases gate push-in and cross-gate strength using a special flared profile on the nose of the carabiner, as well as allowing a snag-free connection for your ropes, slings, and devices. You can find the DMM Revolver Locksafe Carabiner and many other great tree care products on arbsession.com. Please check us out. If you have used the DMM Revolver Locksafe Carabiner before and you have a moment, please leave us a product review with your opinion.